Our topic for today is about rooted and springing from Christ. So what is this, brothers and sisters? So, rooted and springing from Christ, according to Colossians 2 verse 7, rooted and built up in Him. Number 1, meaning strong foundation in Christ. 2, like a tree rooted in fertile soil, growing spiritually. So this is the rooted in Christ. Thank you and God bless to all. Pisyo ng dahon ng guyabano. So ang dahon ng guyabano makatutulong sa una, boost immunity, may anti-inflammatory effects. Pangatlo, may antioxidant properties, may anti-diabetic properties, pwedeng gawing tea o supplement. Guyabano leaves. Ito yung benepisyo ng guyabano leaves. Thank you and God bless to all. For today is about 3 signs of destroying cellphone. 3 signs na malapit nang mamatay ang sipi mo. Una, lantang na ang battery, hindi na tumatagal. 2, madalas na nagpo-force close ang apps. 3, blurred na ang camera, hindi na clear. CP is dying. Thank you and God bless to all.